Ever wonder why some people seem to ace exams with ease while others struggle? Well, it's not always about raw intelligence or talent. Often, it's about how you prepare. So let's dive into some proven steps to prepare for your exams effectively. Step 1. Start early. Procrastination is the enemy of success. To avoid last-minute cramming, begin studying as soon as you know you have an exam. This gives you ample time to understand and absorb the material. Step 2. Break it down. Don't try to swallow the whole syllabus in one go. Break your study material into manageable chunks. This makes your studying more focused and less overwhelming. Step 3. Create a study schedule. Allocate specific time slots for each topic. This not only ensures that you cover all the necessary material, but also helps you manage your time more effectively. Step 4. Understand, don't memorize. Exams don't just test your memory, they test your understanding. So instead of memorizing facts, strive to understand the underlying concepts. Step 5. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you get. Use past papers, mock exams, and other practice materials to hone your skills. Step 6. Take breaks. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Regular breaks not only refresh your mind, but also improve your focus and productivity. Step 7. Stay healthy. Eat well, sleep well, and exercise regularly. A healthy body houses a healthy mind. Step 8. Stay positive. A positive attitude can make a world of difference. Believe in yourself. You got this. To summarize, start your exam preparation early. Break down your study material. Create a study schedule. Understand the concepts instead of memorizing them. Practice regularly. Take breaks. Stay healthy. And keep a positive attitude. Remember, exams don't define you. They're just a stepping stone towards your goals. So, give it your best shot, and no matter the outcome, be proud of the effort you put in. Until next time, happy studying.